Hello everyone, very good morning. I am taking today on problems on reactance voltage which is related to the commutation of DC generator. Problem is a 4-pole lap-wound armature runs at 1500 rpm, gives a current of 150 ampere. It has 64 commutator segments. The brush span is 1.2 segment wide and armature coil or inductance of armature coil is 0.05 millihenry. Calculate the reactance voltage for number 1 linear commutation and number 2 sinusoidal commutation. Solution follows. Find out the data on display, taking as number of poles 4, because it is lap wound, therefore A equal to 4, and speed which is denoted by N is equal to 1500 rpm, and armature current or load current, here shunt field current is neglected, 150 ampere. Number of segments are 64, denoted by N, and width of the brush 1.2 segments. Inductance is 0.05 into 10 to the power of minus 3 Henry. VL the inductance, that is reactance voltage of VL is question mark. So first of all you find out the spiral velocity V equal to N by 60 into number of segments. So if you substitute their values at the corresponding place, 1500 divided by 60 into 64 gives you 1600 segments moment per second. Then commutation period Tc is equal to Wb minus Wm divided by V, velocity, 1.2 is Wb, whereas the Mach insulation Wm is not given, it should be assumed as 0, divided by the calculated value of the velocity V is 1600. If it is simplified, you will get 7.5 into 10 to the power of minus per second. Then I per armature path is equal to Ia, the actual armature current of the generator divided by number of parallel paths. 1500 by 4 gives you 37.5 ampere. Then the VL formula is L into di by dt. dt is the commutation period. And 2 times the current, it is its total change. So substitute all the values. 0.05 into 10 to the power of minus 3 into 2 into 37.5 is the current. 7.5 into 10 to the power of minus 4, if it is simplified, you will get 5 volts for linear commutation. As we know that for sinusoidal commutation, the form factor is to be multiplied to the actual value of the linear commutation, you will get the sinusoidal commutation voltage drop as 5.5 volts. Thank you. Jai Hind. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.